another property video presentation by Kings of Sales and Rentals, and this time we're showcasing Unit 2 at 33 John Robb Way in Cudgen. Here it is pictured. As we go down to ground level, this is how it presents on the street. The property on the left hand side is the one facing the other street. As we step inside, we can see the property's been recarpeted in 2017. It has a substantial sized living area with ceiling fan, modern kitchen, dining area off the kitchen. As we go towards the rear of the property, that's where the main bedroom is. It's also got an ensuite bathroom with toilet and separate basin, also a walk-in robe. Both the second and third bedroom both have built-ins. Main bathroom sees a bath, separate shower, separate toilet. Internal access to the single garage with at the rear of it a laundry. Then going up the back of the house, there's a clothesline and a small yard to the side of the property, which is fenced. For more details on viewing this property and time set for viewing, then please call Kings of Sales and Rentals 0266745888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more information and photos, visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.